Hello everyone. In my previous videos we have learned the content potential and potential energy. So as to make the concept clear as well as numerical skill improvement, I am going to teach you NCERT numericals. Okay. So let's start NCERT numerical, that is 2.1. As per the statement, we have to calculate potential at point P due to a charge that is 4 into 10 raised to power minus 7, where we have to calculate potential, because potential is position dependent. So position is 9 centimeter away. Okay students, so what is the formula to calculate potential? That is 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught source charge, that is Q, and separation. You have to learn this value. We have done 2 chapters already, that is electric charges as well as electric fields. NCERT curriculum के according 1 chapter complete. 9 into 10 raised to power 9. What is charge? 4 into 10 raised to power minus 7. What about R? R is 9 centimeter. So as to substitute, it must be in SI. So 9 into 10 raised to power minus 2 meter. 9 into 10 raised to power minus 2. 9 cancel with 9. Overall 4 into minus 2 with adding this plus 2. 9 plus 2 11. 11 minus 7, it will be 10 raised to the power 4. We are calculating V. V means potential difference, so its unit will be volt. Okay, so it is the formula so as to calculate electric potential due to any charge at some particular position. Okay, now it is the A part. What about B? In B, obtain the work done to bring a charge. It means let us imagine this in diagram form. This one is our charge Q. We have calculated its potential 9 centimeter away. It means V is known to you. We have to calculate amount of work done to bring a charge. It means another charge, that is termed as test charge or Q naught, that is 2 into 10 raised to the power minus 9 coulomb from infinity. It means from infinity another charge Q naught is being brought here. We have to calculate its work done. Work done is equal to charge that is moving into potential at that point, because as per the definition of potential, potential is work done per unit charge. So what will be work done? Charge into potential difference, Q naught into V. What is Q naught? Q naught is 2 into 10 raised to the power minus 9 coulomb. 2 into 10 raised to the power minus 9 coulomb. What is V? V is potential. Potential at its location. We have already calculated 4 into 10 raised to power 4 volt. Charge is located. We have calculated its potential 9 centimeter away. It means at this location. Potential is known. Charge being brought is known. So multiplying this we can get result. 4 to the 8. Minus 9 plus 4, it will be minus 5. So it is work, and SI unit of work is joule, so it will be in joule. Okay. Next, does the answer depend on the path? No, because work done is path independent. It is under the action of electrostatic force, and electrostatic force is a conservative force, conservative in nature. Conservative means path independent. Okay, so it doesn't depend upon path. Now let's start example number 2.2. We are provided with two charges, that is 3 into 10 raised to power minus 8 and minus 2 into 10 raised to power minus 8 coulomb. They are 15 centimeter apart from each other. We have to find the location where potential will be 0. It means at what point on the line joining these 2 points where potential is 0. Let at any point the point must be nearer to the small charge. Okay, so at point this, let it be P point, which is at a distance of x from first charge and at a distance of 15 minus x from the second charge. Okay, so it means potential at point P will be 0. Potential at P due to first charge plus potential at P due to second charge, it sums out to be 0. What is the formula of potential? Potential is charge per unit distance q upon 4 pi epsilon naught separation. First charge is q1, and what about separation? That is x. Plus second charge, let it be q2, that separation is 4 pi epsilon naught 15 minus x, and it results 0. Okay, so what is the value of q1? Substituting the value 3, or we can substitute at last so as to avoid any confusion. q1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught x, that is equal to minus q2 upon 4 pi epsilon naught 15 minus x. 4 pi epsilon naught cancel with 4 pi epsilon naught. What is the value of q1? q1 is 3 into 10 raised to power minus 8. So 3 into 10 raised to power minus 8. What about x? Let it be x again. What about q2? q2 is minus 2 into 10 raised to power minus 8. Minus merge getting resulting to plus, that is 2 into 10 raised to power minus 8 upon 15 minus x. Minus 8 cancel with minus 8. On cross multiplying we will get the result 3 into 15 minus x. 3 15s are 45 minus 3x are 3x, that is equal to 2x are 2x. Okay, so 45 is equal to 2x minus 3x going towards right, resulting plus 3x. 2 plus 3, that is 5x, that is 45 equal 5x. So x will be 45 upon 5, that is 9 centimeter. So from first charge, that is 3 into 10 raised to power minus 8 coulomb at a separation of 9 centimeter, potential is 0. I have considered the point near the small charge because small the charge, its potential will be weak. But when I will move it away and away and away, its potential will become weaker and weaker. And when I am going towards it, it means its separation decreases. Already the charge is larger and its potential will increase. So it can never result 0. So resultant will be 0 towards the smaller charge. That's why I have already told you that it is towards smaller charge. Initially you can take in between so as to locate. Okay, so at 15 centimeter, potential at point P is 0. Okay students, now example number 2.3. In example number 2.3 we are provided with 2-point charges, that this one is our positive charge and another this one is our negative charge. In neighborhood of charge we know that there are electric field lines, so in positive electric field lines are going out and For negative charge, electric field lines will be inward. Okay. A multiple part question it is, and it is very conceptual, so as to make the concept clear. So what is being asked? We are provided with 2 points. Let first point here is P and second one is Q, and same here 2 points have been provided so as to compare the energy, potential and many more things. So what is the question? In part A, we have to find out the sign Vp minus Vq and Vb minus Va. Vp and Vq means these 2 points have been asked regarding their difference in potential. You have to learn this point in mind when we move along the direction of electric field, potential decreases whenever we are moving along the direction of electric field. So when we are moving along the direction of electric field, potential decreases. It means Vp is more, Vq is less. So Vp minus Vq is positive, or Vp minus Vq is greater than 0. You can learn it in alternative way. As we know that V is inversely proportional to R. As distance increases, potential decreases. So its potential will be smaller. As distance small, potential more. So its potential will be larger. So Vp minus Vq will be positive. Okay. So what about Vb minus Va? What is Vb? Vb is the potential at point B and potential at point A. Vb minus Va. With the same concept, when we are moving along the direction of electric field, potential decreases. We are moving along the direction of electric field lines. What will happen? Potential decrease. Decrease means this one is larger, this one will smaller. Vb is larger, Va is smaller. As Vb is greater than Va, as in previous case Vp is greater than Vq, Vb is greater than Va, Vb minus Va will be positive, or we may write it Vb minus Va is greater than 0. Okay students. Now in second part we have to provide the sign of potential energy difference of a small negative charge between the points Q and P. It means we have to find out potential energy difference between of a negative charge. It means test charge that is being provided in our statement, that is negative. We have to give the sign of potential energy difference of a small negative charge between the points Q and P, A and B. Q and P. The charge is negative. We have to find out potential energy difference, that is in first part. We have to find out the value of UQ minus UP from Q to P. As charge is negative, being negative charge, it will feel an attractive force towards the source charge. So when it will move towards itself, its kinetic energy increases. So potential energy decreases. It means from going Q to P, kinetic energy increases. Why increases? Due to attraction. As kinetic energy increases, so potential energy decreases. What does it mean? Potential energy of Q is more than potential energy of P. It means while going towards P, it decreases. So UQ minus UV will be positive, or as UQ is greater than UP. Now we have to find out in the second part of the same question potential energy difference between A and B for the same negative charge. But here the source charge is negative. Negative will repel negative. It means there will be repulsion. Repulsion when we are bringing UA minus UB. What does it mean? From B to A. It means we are going towards inside. When we are moving towards inside, UA minus UB means from B to A, because I have told you this one is our final position and this one is our initial. Okay, so when we are moving from B to A, charge is negative, it will repel this charge. So due to repulsion, we have to do work. So work done is stored in the form of potential energy. So what does it mean? It will be positive. UA is greater than UB. So UA minus UB will be positive. Or we can understand it theoretical way. When we are moving towards this, velocity decreases, kinetic energy decreases. Why? Due to repulsion. When kinetic energy decreases, it means potential energy increases. Okay, so potential energy increases while moving from B to A. In part C, give the sign of the work done by the field. You have to pay attention, work done by the field. It means by the electrostatic field, electric field. Moving a small positive charge from Q to P. From Q to P, it means from this Q to P. When we are moving a small positive charge from Q to P, as there will be repulsion. There will be repulsion, it means we have to do work against the repulsive force. So the work that is being done by the field is doing negative work, because positive work is being done by the external field. So if in the same case the question is changed with the statement, what is the amount of work done by external field, while moving from Q to P we have to do work. We have to do work means potential energy increases, so work done will be positive. Okay, in part D, the statement is give the sign of the work done by external agency from B to A. Work done by external agency from B to A. In moving a small negative charge from B to A, work has to be done, because negative will repel. Automatically it will not move, we have to do work. We means external agency have to do work. So work done will be positive here, and here it was negative. Okay. Does the kinetic energy of a small negative charge increase or decrease? If the charge is negative, kinetic energy increases or decreases while the charge is moving from B to A. When the charge is moving from B to A in the given situation, test charge is negative and source charge is negative, it means there will be repulsion. When repulsion, we have to do work. Work is done by external. The work done is being stored in the form of potential energy, so potential energy increases. When potential energy increases, kinetic energy decreases. So the result is decrease in kinetic energy. Okay students, so you must watch this question again and again so as to make the concept. What is hidden statement that by the field or by external agency, charge is positive or negative? So focus on this so as to make the theoretical concept clear. Now let's do example 2.4. As per the statement given in NCERT, there are 4 charge that is plus Q at A, minus Q at B, next plus Q at C, and at last minus Q at D. We have to find out potential energy of system so as to assemble these charges at their respective position from infinity, and We have also to find out amount of work done to bring a charge, that is test charge Q naught, from infinity to at point E, that is which is the center point of our considered sphere. So what is the amount of work done when the four charges are being fixed at the corner? Okay students, so firstly we have to calculate potential energy of the system. As per the theoretical section, I have taught you what is the potential energy of the system. It is the 4-point charge system. What is its formula? You can do it in step by step way. I am firstly teaching you in step by step method. Work done to bring first charge is 0. Work done to bring second charge, let first charge is this one. You can consider any one. Any charge can be brought first and any other later. No effect on the result, because potential energy is present situation dependency. It means where the charges are at present being assembled, not on the way which one is brought first or later, not on the type or of the path, whether it was smooth or rough, as we have to study in friction. It is path independent. Work done to bring second charge, let it be this one is our second charge. First charge is located at here. We have to do work done. It means there will be second charge and potential of first charge. So what is the potential of first charge? That is Q1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught. The separation, and the separation is D. What is the amount of work done to bring third charge? Third charge is this. But here the charge is negative. In calculation we must mention the sign. Okay. The charge is QQ each. So being QQ each, we must replace it by Q square. So again minus Q square upon 4 pi epsilon naught D. Work done to bring third charge. When third charge is being brought, already first and second charger is there. So the potential of these two is to be calculated at this point. It means third charge into potential due to first at third, potential due to second at third. So what will be the result? It will be Q2, that is the Q3 Q1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught R13, that is Q2 Q3 4 pi epsilon naught R23. What is Q3 Q1 Q2 Q3? That is Q, but we have to consider its sign. Q3 into Q1, Q1 into Q1, that is QQ Q square upon 4 pi epsilon naught R13. What is R13? That is the separation between the first and the third charge, this one. And the diagonal of a square is root 2 into D. So I am mentioning here root 2D. What is Q2 and Q3? Q2 is minus Q, Q3 is plus Q. So minus Q into plus Q, it will be minus Q square. So I am mentioning here minus Q square upon 4 pi epsilon naught. What is the separation between second and third charge? That is D again. So it is amount of work done to bring third charge. Now what about fourth? When fourth charge is being brought here, already three charges are present. Already three charges, first charge, second charge, third charge are present. So Q4 into potential of first charge at fourth position, potential of second charge at fourth position, potential of third charge at fourth position. So that is Q4. What is the potential of first charge at fourth position? Q1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught R14. What is the potential of second charge at fourth position? Second, 4 pi epsilon naught R24. What is the potential of third charge at fourth position? Third charge, Q3 4 pi epsilon naught R34. So in this way we can add these to get result. It will be Q1 Q2 upon R12, Q2 Q3 upon R23, and Q Q1 Q1 Q4, Q2 Q4, Q3 Q4 upon R34. Now, so as to evaluate what is Q1 and Q4, Q1 is positive and Q4 is negative, so it will be minus Q square. And what about the separation between R14, R24, R34? What about the separation between 1 and 4, that is D? Okay, so it will be D. Taking 1 by K common out, K is 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught. Okay, 1 by K common out. Now Q2 and Q4, check. Q2 is negative, Q4 is negative, negative into negative positive, so it will be plus Q square. So it will be plus Q square, and separation is D root 2. What about Q3 and Q4? Q3 is positive, Q4 is negative, so it will be Q square upon my separation, that is D. So in this way we have calculated the work done to bring the first charge, first charge, that is the second charge, that is the third charge, and at last that is the fourth charge. So as to calculate total energy, we have to add these. Okay, so it is a multiple step solution, but it is just to make the concept clear. Now going towards the compact form, what is the potential energy of the system? That is 4 charge system. In 4 charge system, what we have to do? 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught common out. First with all, Q1 Q4 upon R14, Q1 Q3 R13. Let it be second first, and then third, then fourth, R14, Q1 Q2 Q1 Q3 Q1 Q4, done. Now it's turn for second charge. Second with all, second with first done, second with third, Q1 Q3 R13, second with 4, Q2 Q4 R24. Now what about third? Third with first done, okay, and third with second done, third with third, no need to conclude, third with fourth, Q3 Q4 R34. Okay, and what about 4? 4 with first done, 4 with second done, 4 with third done. Now substitute the values. It is a single step. 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught, Q1 and Q2. Q1 is positive, Q2 is negative, overall minus Q square. And what about separation? D. Minus Q square upon D. What is Q1 Q3? Q1 is plus Q, Q3 is plus Q, Q1 Q3 is Q square. What about separation? D root 2. What about Q1 Q4? Q1 is positive, Q4 is negative, so it will be negative Q square. And what about separation? That is D. Q2 Q3, Q2 and Q3, that is Q into minus Q square upon D. Q2 Q4, Q2 is this one, and Q4 is this one. And what about product? Minus Q into minus Q plus Q square. And what about the separation? Root 2D. Q3 Q4, this one is Q3, this one is Q4, Q into minus Q square upon D. So as to find out the result, 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q square upon D root 2, Q square upon D root 2. Combining these two, I may write here 2 Q square upon root 2 into D. Q square by D, Q square by D, Q square by D, Q square by D, but with negative sign. So minus 4 Q square by D. Okay. So D taking common out, root 2 with 2 cancelling, resulting root 2 in numerator. So it will be 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught D. Q square can be taken common out. It will be root 2. q square common out, d common out, so the remaining is 4 root 2 minus 4. Okay, so as to match with result, you can write here minus q square upon 4 pi epsilon naught d, taking minus common out, 4 minus root 2. Okay, both the result are okay. Now, and in the second part, we have to calculate a charge q naught is brought to the center of the square. What is the amount of work done? So, what is the amount of work done to bring a charge q naught at the center? So, potential at the center due to all the charges have to be calculated. At the center, which is at equal distance from all the four charges. So, separation is same. Due to this charge, potential will be positive, and due to this charge, potential will be positive. Charge same, separation same. Due to this charge, potential will be negative. Due to this charge, potential will be negative. Charge same, separation same, so potential same. It means potential at center is 0 because positive potential and negative potential at center are equal and opposite. V positive is equal to V negative, so net potential is 0. As potential is 0, so work done to bring Q naught from infinity to that point will be 0. So 0 amount of work done. So students, we have learnt the content up to potential energy of a system of charges, and we have done numericals regarding these theoretical section. So in next video I am going to teach you potential energy of a system of charges, but I am mentioning here in the presence of external electric field. So as to learn more, be with me. Okay, if you like the video, strike the like button and don't forget to subscribe the channel so as to get updated videos. Till then, good.